Here's a 1992 Jaguar XJS convertible, just in it unique, especially in classics. This particular car is the V12 model, so it's got the 5.3 liter V12 underneath the hood paired with an automatic transmission. Now I will show you the paint on this. It does show its age some. There's been quite a bit of touch up across there. And as far as light scratching and hazing, it just kind of threw out the paint. So it'd be a nice driver, but if you want to take it to the next level, definitely take some buffing, some TLC to get it to the next level. Now, if you want to check out the underside pics, interior pics, engine bay, trunk, all the still pictures, you can check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there'll be a link in the description, and if you click on that, that's going to take you right to our website where this car will be pictured. And of course, you can give us a call to 507-386-1726. I'll start it up. We'll check out the engine bay, see how everything looks there too. A little over 64,000 miles is what the odometer reads. Here you can see interior does show its age too. Some we were ripping the passenger seat. Leather does show some checking, some dryness. Same as on the driver's side. There's your automatic shifter on the floor. As well as equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. I've not had the AC blowing cold. It looks like it has been converted, and I'll show you that when we pop the hood, and the compressor and everything. The belts are hooked up to it. It seems like the majority of the components are there. We have not had it blowing cold. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Again, there's your V12 emblem in the back. 5.3 liter. This car actually had 263 horse and 288 pound-feet of torque. Coming out of that V12 underneath the hood. Show you a little more of the hazing, kind of checking back here in the paint. Wet sand and buff may take out quite a bit of that. If you're looking for a nice driver, drive it the way it is. Go right ahead. You want to take it to the next level. Spend a little time brightening it up and detailing it. You can sure do that too. Of course, this 92 body style was brand new in 91. They refreshed the XJS body style in 1991. As far as the convertible top, black in color. There is a parade boot in the trunk also, which you can see in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Power seats over here in the door panels. Do have the power seats working on both sides. Did use both of those. And you can see in the back there's like a jump seat, kind of a kid's seat that will fold flat too for like a storage compartment or put luggage in or what have you. If you're not, using the trunk, want to just put it behind the seat. There's the odometer read 64,935. Let's go ahead and start this up. See how the gauges work properly. Tachometer works. I did notice there were a couple lights on the dash there. Car is being sold as is. Owner will listen to any reasonable offer. Feel free to call in after you check out all the still pictures and look it over. Slip around here to the back. Car runs good, sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. I want to pop this hood, and we'll go ahead and check out that V12 underneath the hood. All right, here we go. Hood propped. I do want to let you know the struts. Could use new struts. I just put the vice grip to hold that hood up, so you could use new struts or get a prop rod for the hood. I want to make you aware of that. There you can see the AC has been converted here. And the components are hooked up. Like I said, did not have it blowing cold. See how smooth that Jag V12 runs. Again, 5.3 liter. There you have it. 1992 Jaguar XJS convertible V12. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Unique classiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you.